Hey y'all, what's up? What it do? It's me. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Temu accessories haul. So Temu reached out to me and they wanted me to be in their influencer partner program. So I got a bunch of accessories and I'm going to review them, tell y'all what they do, what they look like, and all that good stuff. So let's just get into it. Thought I would be able to open this without scissors. Hey guys. Oh gosh. Okay y'all, so first I got this pack of sunglasses. Oh, not the sun coming out. Her. Came in black, tortoise, green, and then like a beige. And I'm gonna show you what they look on my face. Oh. Yeah. These are cute. They have like a yellow tint. They block out the sun though, so they work. Next, I got this cute little phone case because I be needing options. I only have 2 phone cases. I mean, they were expensive, so I used them. But I got this cute little phone case. I'm not a pink girl, but I'm forcing myself to be super cute. I'll show y'all what it looks like on my phone. Hold on. This is it on my phone. So cute. Love, love, love. The next pair of glasses I got are these Y2K. Let me show y'all what they look like on my face.
Ooh.
I'm sweating my hair out.
Okay, it's giving Xenon Warrior. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Boom, boom, boom. These are so cute. I could definitely put some fits together with these though. Summertime, summertime. Okay guys, and next I got this pack of rings. I'm gonna show you them on my hands so you can better see them. I mean, see them better because it's kind of hard to see what they look like in the pack. So give me like 2.5. So this is what it looks like on my hand. Super cute. And then the other ones are all like little small circles like these, so I didn't put them all on, but super cute. I love them. And next y'all, I got this cute little chain. It's smaller than I thought. I don't like chokers, but this is the gold chain. Not bad, not bad. And then I got this cute earring set, cute little basic earrings. You can never go wrong with like the cute little hoops, studs, pearls. So cute. So cute. And next I got these cute little cat eyelashes. I've been seeing these on TikTok and I'm just like, my eyes are almond shaped and cat eye, I just love the way cat eye looks on me. So I had to try these lashes out. I'm not putting them on the video because I just don't feel like it. So y'all will see me put these on and they get ready with me, so just stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't, because why haven't you? Anyway, yeah, cat eye lashes. I got this trucker hat. I don't fish, but this is cute. So I don't want to mess up my hair. We have a model coming to show you guys what the hat looks like. She's cute. She's cute. So let's move on to the next item. You know, I had to get me a makeup headband because isn't she cute?
Oh, that's cute.
I'm getting into my influencer era. Okay, y'all. More Get Ready With Me is coming soon. Watch me do my makeup.
It's giving Maddie Denise.
Yes. Okay. Next, we got this hat that says heart. Y'all can kind of get the gist of what this looks like on your head.
Girlfriend.
Oh, they was together. That was with their wife.
Super cute though. Says heart. Super cute. It says heart. Love. Might wear this to work one day. Because why not? Right? Oh, my hand just got a cramp. I feel like I'm going through this so fast. Yeah, I got this beanie in the middle of the spring. I could not put it on with this hairstyle. Model. We got these cute little beanies. I got it in black. While she puts the black one on, I'm going to show y'all the other color. And then this is the green and yellow one. That's the black one, y'all. And this is the green and yellow. Super cute. I'm excited for the weather to be... Actually, I don't want it to be cold again, but I want it to be reasonable enough for me to wear this. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. The last item, ladies and gentlemen, is this cute makeup bag. because if you watched my Vogue Get Ready With Me video, you learned the story about my makeup and how I have to replace a bunch of it. So I got my makeup brushes already from my mom and stepdad, and I need a new bag because my other one's dirty, really dirty. So I got this one to go with it, and this is what she looks like on the inside. It's giving Chanel. It's giving Chanel. Got the little pouch, which my other one does not have. Oh, I didn't open it. Cute pouch to put like my small stuff in it, and then like my palettes and everything else can go in here. Cute. That's the haul. I'm very pleased with all this stuff, like especially the phone case. Phone case is probably one of my favorite things, and the glasses, like literally everything I love. So y'all will see me with Temu again, of course, duh. But if you enjoy videos like this, let me know. I love to make them for y'all. And without further ado, I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.